of us have blurry vision, at least to some degree, but what causes it? And what can we do to bring our world into better focus? Light enters the eye through the pupil, which works much like the shutter of an automatic camera to help us adjust to brighter or darker conditions. When we need more light, the pupil opens wider. When we need less light, the pupil becomes smaller. Light rays entering the eye also must be bent into a precise point of focus on the retina, found in the inner back of the eye. When this doesn't happen, our vision is blurred. Eyeglasses and contact lenses sharpen focus by bending light and changing the way it enters the eye. But why do we have blurry vision in the first place? Well, when you're farsighted, your eyeball is too short. This means that light rays reach a point of focus beyond the retina. In this case, you see blurry images up close. But when your eyeball is too long, light rays achieve a point of focus before they can even reach the retina. This means you are nearsighted and objects appear blurred in the distance. Many eyes also have an irregularly shaped cornea, which is the clear part of the eye's surface. When this happens, light rays can have several different points of focus. This is called astigmatism, which also causes blurry vision. If you want to know more about common causes of blurry vision and about vision correction options such as eyeglasses, contact lenses, and refractive surgery,
It's the same procedure as making glasses. Instead of an optometrist grinding an external lens, the laser surgeon reshapes the surface of the eye, the cornea, to readjust its ability to focus.
Alcon is proud to present you with the Wavelight Refractive Suite, the next leap forward in exceptional patient outcomes. The Wavelight Refractive Suite is a dynamic treatment tool that combines the world's fastest platform with advanced data transfer capabilities. Through the use of cutting-edge technology, the Wavelight Refractive Suite combines speed with customized capabilities to deliver accurate, patient-specific outcomes. Treatment is initiated with the input of patient-specific information into a computer. Data then flows through WaveNet, an internal computer network, to populate diagnostic devices. With the push of a single button, patient data is captured, allowing the physician to complete the diagnostic process and make final adjustments. Data then flows through WaveNet, an integrated network, directly to the Wavelight EX500 excimer laser. Using the captured diagnostic data, the excimer is able to create a unique ablation profile. The ablation profile now travels from the Wavelight EX500 excimer laser to the Wavelight FS200 femtosecond laser, where a precise flap is to be created. With only a single data entry point, the margin for error decreases while customization capabilities are enhanced. The Wavelight FS200 uses a balanced control check to automatically calibrate each applanation cone, adjusting for the thickness of the glass and temperature shifts within the laser system's components. The calibration process provides consistent and predictable flap thickness. Once the patient is in place, the physician lays a suction ring gently onto the surface of the eye. The physician then steps on a foot pedal to activate a precisely controlled suction system to adhere the ring to the eye. Next, the applanation cone lowers down to dock with the suction ring. A second automated suction system engages, which secures the applanation cone within the suction ring while applanation occurs. The Wavelight FS200 femtosecond laser offers the physician the unmatched ability to adjust the placement of the flap even after the suction ring has been applied. By shifting the placement grid before the flap is created, the physician may customize flap placement to best fit the ablation profile of their patient. The flap is created by first forming a tunnel to avoid an opaque bubble layer, or OBL. The tunnel provides a path for the release of the gas and water generated in the flap creation process. Once the cleavage plane is complete, a side cut treatment is applied, allowing the Wavelight FS200 to create a standard flap in approximately 6 seconds. The Wavelight EX500 excimer laser features a completely sealed, nitrogen-flushed beam path that is checked in 3 separate locations for energy and consistency, thus setting the standard for both laser precision and durability. Pupil dilation causes pupil centroid shift, or a shift in the visual axis. The Wavelight EX500 excimer laser is able to compensate centroid shift and make necessary adjustments to align with the predetermined treatment profile. The Wavelight EX500 excimer laser maintains a high pulse frequency with a minimized thermal load, allowing only 1 in 5 pulses to overlap. This allows the treated area of the eye to cool before receiving additional pulses from the laser. This treatment algorithm provides a market-leading treatment rate of approximately 1.4 seconds per diopter. Designed to automatically track movements of the eye with a latency time of just 2 milliseconds, the Wavelight EX500 excimer laser automatically adjusts pulse placement to provide patients with exceptional precision and safety. The built-in flexibility of the Wavelight refractive suite allows for expanded refractive treatment capabilities and is truly the next leap forward in faster, more accurate refractive treatments. The Alcon Wavelight Refractive Suite. Faster treatments, optimized outcomes. The Wavelight EX500 excimer laser features a completely sealed, nitrogen-flushed beam path that is checked in 3 separate locations for energy and consistency, thus setting the standard for both laser precision and durability. Pupil dilation causes pupil centroid shift, or a shift in the visual axis. The Wavelight EX500 excimer laser is able to compensate centroid shift and make necessary adjustments to align with the predetermined treatment profile. The Wavelight EX500 excimer laser maintains a high pulse frequency with a minimized thermal load, allowing only 1 in 5 pulses to overlap. This allows the treated area of the eye to cool before receiving additional pulses from the laser. This treatment algorithm provides a market-leading treatment rate of approximately 1.4 seconds per diopter. Designed to automatically track movements of the eye with a latency time of just 2 milliseconds, the Wavelight EX500 excimer laser automatically adjusts pulse placement to provide patients with exceptional precision and safety.
Diabetic eye disease refers to a group of eye problems that can occur as a result of diabetes. Without diagnosis and treatment, diabetic eye disease can cause severe vision loss or even blindness. Diabetic retinopathy is the most common diabetic eye disease and is a leading cause of blindness in persons with diabetes. It is caused by changes in the blood vessels of the retina. The retina is the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. A healthy retina is necessary for good vision. In some people with diabetic retinopathy, blood vessels of the retina may swell and leak fluid or blood. In other people with diabetes, abnormal new blood vessels grow on the surface of the retina. At first, diabetic retinopathy may not cause any changes in vision, but over time, diabetic retinopathy can get worse. At first, a person might see spots floating in their vision, or may notice a general blurring of vision. Eventually, diabetic retinopathy may cause vision loss and even blindness.
Inside the eye are two fluid-filled chambers. The intraocular fluid, or eye fluid, is responsible for maintaining the correct amount of pressure inside the eye, which keeps the shape of the eye intact. This fluid is clear and watery in the front or anterior chamber of the
Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn about conjunctivitis. An eye is a very important organ of the body. Conjunctivitis is an infection of conjunctiva, one of the important layers of the eye. This presentation will help you to understand different aspects of this disease with the help of animation. I hope you like the presentation. Layers of the eye. The sclera is the opaque, fibrous, protective outer layer of the eye. The choroid is the vascular layer of eye lying between the retina and the sclera. The retina is a light-sensitive tissue lining the inner surface of the eye. A lens is an optical device which transmits and refracts light. The conjunctiva is a clear mucous membrane that covers the sclera and lines the inside of the eyelids. Conjunctiva definition. The conjunctiva is a thin, clear layer of skin covering the front of the eye, including the sclera and the inside of the eyelids. Conjunctivitis definition. Conjunctivitis refers to inflammation of the conjunctiva. It is most commonly due to an infection, usually viral, but sometimes bacterial, or an allergic reaction. Symptoms. Conjunctivitis is identified by irritation and redness of the conjunctiva. Itching, rubbing eyes is the hallmark symptom of allergic conjunctivitis. A diffuse, less injected conjunctivitis looking pink rather than red suggests a viral cause. Management of conjunctivitis. The cause of the allergy or irritation must first be removed. For the allergic and viral type, use cool compresses and artificial tears. Bacterial conjunctivitis is usually treated with antibiotic eye drops or ointments. Rest to the infected eye. Prevention of conjunctivitis. Do not touch or rub the infected eye. Wear eyeglasses. Wash any discharge from the eyes using a cotton ball or paper towel. Wash your hands with soap and warm water. Take leave and do not go to work until the infection is no longer contagious. Keep away from dust and pollution.